Join us on Disney's Pixar Pal-a-Round at Disney California Adventure. Come on, everybody. The Pixar Pal-a-Round is a mildly terrifying 150-foot tall icon of Disney California Adventure. At first glance, this might look like your average Ferris wheel, but it is not. There are 16 of the 24 gondolas ride along an internal rail, causing them to slide back and forth as the wheel spins. The screams alone let you know that this is not for the faint of heart. The load and unload process is very simple. Each gondola can carry up to 6 people. Once inside the gondola, you have amazing views of DCA and Disneyland itself. The day we rode, we were lucky enough to see them testing the World of Color. As with any Ferris wheel, your first time around, you go slower because they are loading and unloading the gondolas. Your second trip around, you're in continuous motion.
One more time. One more time.
As you can hear, the day we rode was extremely windy. This was not fun for someone with a fear of heights.
No.
The Pixar Pal-a-Round is definitely not for the faint of heart. Being back on solid ground was a big plus. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. It lets YouTube know that you are enjoying the content.